Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought a new updates regarding PhD admission in Visvaraya National Institute of Technology, Nagpur. They have started application form for PhD admission January 2022. Regarding programs offered by institute, there are various category for engineering. There you can apply for civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, communication, computer science, chemical, metallurgy, material, then mining, applied mechanics, PLSI, and nanotechnology. You can also apply for architecture and planning, and in sciences, physics, chemistry, mathematics, social sciences, and humanity you can apply. There are category in which you can apply, like first one, candidate non sponsored with teaching assistantship. It's also called full time regular PhD scholar, and will be provided teaching assistantship as per MHRD norms. Second, BNIT MTech student with teaching assistantship, means if anyone have done MTech from BNIT, then also they can apply for PhD with teaching assistantship. Third one, SRF or JRF or research staff of R&D projects sponsored to BNIT. If any sponsored project going on, and anyone working in that, then they can also apply for PhD program. And next one, a sponsored candidate, if you are working in any research plus of research work BNIT only, DST Inspire, CSIR, UGC fellowship or equivalent, then you can also apply. And next one, a sponsored candidate from 100% centrally funded research laboratory including PS, public sector and private industries. Like essential requirement for engineering, you must have a qualified GATE in past, and must have postgraduate degree in engineering technology, MEM Tech or equivalent. And for architecture and planning also, you must have qualified GATE and NET, and with that you must have MEM Tech or MR Chem Plan or equivalent post graduation degree. For sciences, you must have MSc MA or equivalent in basic sciences and humanity. With that, also have the just course like NET, GATE, GPAT, TIST, Inspire, CSIR, UGC fellowship or equivalent. The detailed eligibility criteria they have given. For applied mechanics, you must have BTech or AMIE in civil engineering. With that, you must have MEM Tech in structural engineering, structural dynamics, earthquake engineering, structural engineering related to a specialization. Minimum first class or 6.75 CGPA, and qualified GATE score in civil in the past. For chemical also, you must have your BTech related to chemical, like chemical technology, biochemical, biotechnology, nanotechnology, civil engineering, environmental engineering, mechanical, material engineering, and energy engineering. With that, you must have MEM Tech specialization related to chemical and 6.75 CGPA and qualified GATE in the past. For other discipline also, they have you must have BTech in related discipline, and MEM Tech also, and 6.75 CGPA and qualified GATE in past. So it's for all common. They have highlighted it in black, so you must read that. Admission procedure: you have to pay application fee 500 through a State Bank Collect, and with that you have to send application form along with photocopies of certificate and photographs, and copy of SBI collect receipt should be sent by post or hand delivered to this address. And you must have mentioned on the envelope PhD, name of department. Then they also have mentioned that candidates should have qualified GATE NET score in the past, and GATE NET score percentile GATE score as well as qualified marks should be stated. You have to enter that. Candidates should also score minimum 40% marks in interview for selection. Means during process of admission, means either they are taking both, means they are taking interview and written test both. In that, in interview you must have scored 40%, Written exam 40%, get a score 40%, and interview 20%. Based on that, you will be selected. The provisional list of selected candidate will be displayed on institute website, and no separate invitation will be sent. Duration of program: minimum duration 3, maximum 6. These are the fee. You can take a screenshot. After admission, you have to pay that one time fee, and per semester fee. Means at the time of joining, candidate had to pay one time fees and per semester fee together, that is for full time pay with teaching assistantship by 22,100 and 33,200 for PhD full time sponsored candidate, and subsequent fee will have to pay 1,000 per year till thesis submission. To pay 1,000 per year till thesis submission. Examination fee 30,000 for full-time PhD and sponsored shall be paid by the candidate prior to submission of thesis. Means when you are completing your PhD, means when you are submitting your thesis, then you have to pay 30,000. Syllabus they have given. You can take the screenshot and read that what they will ask you in written exam. These all are the syllabus for different discipline. Then regarding dates, they have where they have mentioned or not. Full time January, last date they have not given. Spay Collect institute website, date they have not given here. It will be at some other place, means in college website. We have to read that. For other details, guideline, rule and on NIT website. This is the last date. You can see date of notification. It will has already come on 3rd of November. Last date of accepting the application form in hard copy 23rd November. Last date of uploading Google form of application 23rd November. Then eligible candidate display list will be on 3rd of December. Written test on 13. Then interview on 13 and 14. Display of provisional list of selected candidate will be published on 16th December. Then you have to report for admission from 18 December to 27 December, and registration will start offline from 28th December to 3rd of January, and from 3rd January classes also starts. These are the dates, interview dates for different discipline, like for applied mechanics, architecture, planning, chemical, mathematics, electronics, communication, humanity, social sciences, chemistry, metallurgy, material engineering, mining, physics. The written test and interview will be both on same date, 13 December 2021 from 10 written test from 10 am to 11 am, and interview from 2:30 pm to 5 pm. And for computer science, electrical, mechanical, VLSI, the written will be on 13 December and interview will be on 14 December. And it will be held in respective departments. So that's all about